Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning Instagram post using Canva, and I will walk you through everything you need to know to design eye-catching visuals in no time. Whether you are creating posts for business, personal use, or your brand, Canva makes it easy. Let's dive in. First of all, head over to canva.com and either log in or sign up for a free account. Once you are in, you will see the home page with various templates and design option. Now click on templates section, search for Instagram post. In the search bar to get the perfect dimensions like 180p into 180 pixel like that. You can also select Instagram story, Instagram reel cover if you are designing those. Canva offers thousands of templates to choose from. If you are short on time, just pick a template, then click customize this template. You can filter templates by category, whether you are looking for something minimalistic, modern, or fun. If you prefer to start fresh, you can always click create a blank Instagram post and design it from scratch. Now let's customize your template. First of all, click on any text box like that. Now type your text here like fashion. Then edit the font, size, and color to match your brand or style. Select all, then click font tab. Now choose a style from here. Then font size, increase font size if you need. Then color like that. Pick color from here like that. Canva offers tons of free and premium fonts, so you can experiment until it looks perfect. For the images, click on the existing one to replace it. Just click on it. Upload your own image from here. Just drag and drop here like that. You can add new text, like click text, then add text box like here, and add your text here. Then select all, select the color like white, then increase the size of text. You can design text from here. Click on three dot icon. You can lock here, link here from here, then align to page like center. That's good. Change the color like that. Change the background color or image by selecting the background and picking a new color or uploading an image. How you choose? Just click the background, then choose the color template, then pick a color from here like that. Let's spice up your post by adding some design elements. Go to Elements tab from the left sidebar where you can find things like icon, shapes, illustrations, and lines. If you are promoting a product, you might want to use icons or shapes to highlight feature. Simply drag and drop your temp elements onto the canvas like that, and add and click on layer button from here and send backward again. Now adjust the shape from here, change the color from here, change the opacity or transparency like that. Simply drag and drop your element onto the canvas, resize and adjust them as needed. Keep it clean and simple. Too many elements can make the design feel crowded. Now, if you are running a business or profile brand, you want your designs to match your branding. Canva offers a brand kit feature for pro users that lets you upload your logo, fonts, and color palette to easily apply them to every design. Just go to brand kit under the side menu, upload your assets, and you are ready to go. If you don't have a brand kit set up, don't worry, you can still manually adjust colors and fonts to stay on brand. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to make sure everything looks great. Check the element, use guidelines and spacing tools to ensure everything is properly aligned. Now, once your design is ready, it's time to download. Click on share button, then download, and choose your picture file type like PNG, JPEG for Instagram, and hit download. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.